So you've set your stocks. Let's now look at how to order stock for a region and how to check out the stock levels. First, let's order some stock using the stock orders page. Now this stock in particular is set for two regions, for Europe and for UK. Let's order for now one stock for Europe. There we go, and I already have in the wallet what is needed, and this is the same wallet that I get the profit revenue from. So every time an order is made, the profit gets pulled right here. Okay, so now I have a new entry in the stock levels. I have already made a purchase before, so I have in Q14 and one in already available. So between these two pages, you are able to see both the stock that you've ordered, the stock that is available, and the stock that is still printed at our various partners, as well as how many are left in each specific stock. Now, the important part is this. When an order is made for a part using those stock, that stock will slowly be consumed. Of course, when it gets low enough, the designer gets an email with a warning saying that particular stock has run out, please fulfill it more.